Hello, my name is Dennis Lynch, and this is my second Milestone demonstration for Georgia Tech's Fall 2017 Educational Technology course. In my previous Milestone demonstration, I showcased the state of my chatbot agent based off the work of Eric Grigori in the summer 2017 session. My agent had the same functionality as Grigori's agent, but streamlined the corpus knowledge representation in a MongoDB database, utilized Dialogflow's webhooks to retrieve conversation responses, and introduced feedback prompts. For the previous 3 weeks, I have focused on expanding feedback capabilities. I introduced graded feedback on effectiveness, accuracy, and understandability of answers as a template for quantifiable feedback. I also implemented agent reactions to feedback, with positive answers becoming more successful answers and negative answers becoming less successful answers. To demonstrate this reasoning system briefly, I've created 3 key diagrams. Now assume that there are 3 responses an agent can give to a question. Initially, all 3 responses are weighted equally. However, once the user gives feedback on a response, if the sum of grades is below average, 15 out of 30, the weight of that response is diminished, making it less likely to be chosen in a uniform distribution, as seen by response A here. If the next response is weighted more heavily in a reaction to user feedback, that answer is more likely to be chosen in the future, as seen by response C here. Mapping these results to a user session will allow a more personalized conversation to occur and opens the door to profiling successful learning strategies for a student. Finally, I will quickly demonstrate this system in action. To assist in weight visualization, I've written a script to retrieve answers from the database for the topic GRE. If we were to run this script, we would see that initially, all 3 answers have a weight of 15, meaning that they are all equally likely to be chosen. Now, if we were to go to the conversation portal for our agent and type in GRE, we would get one of those 3 responses chosen at random. As we can see here, that is the response. Now say that is a response that we weren't looking for. It doesn't really answer the question we were asking, or it doesn't help us understand. We grade it lowly, 1s across the board, and give appropriate verbal feedback. Now, if we were to go back to our script and run it again, we would see that that particular response is weighted lower than the other 2 responses, making it less likely to be chosen if that question or a similar question were asked in the future. So let's try that. Let's ask that question again. Now this time we see a different answer has been chosen that was more likely to be chosen. Now let's say that this was the perfect answer, absolutely, completely understandable, covers everything that we wanted to answer about the question. So we put that feedback into the system, hit submit, and then we'll see here that if we run the script one more time, the weight of the poor answer stays the same, but because that better answer was weighted even higher, that is even more likely to be chosen in the future because that has been shown as the preferred answer. Eventually, optimal responses will emerge as the agent calibrates itself to the user's individual preferences. Based on this work I've done, I'm directly in line with my project proposal. Therefore, in the 3 weeks of the semester, I will first outline a testing document indicating all tests that need to be taken and any glaring bugs that must be fixed. Then, I will fix these bugs and produce a second round of testing documentation, ensuring that there are no outstanding issues that still need to be fixed. Finally, I will complete both the paper and presentation for my project, demonstrating the research that went into my solution, the implementation of my solution, and thoughts for future work. Thank you.